So, good morning, guys. Today we have here NASDAQ. We're going to be trading NASDAQ today. And we took a trade here, but we took it just a little bit late uh, within this push that we were doing to the buy side. But anyways, I'm going to be holding it for a little bit longer, because my aim is to hit this liquidity. But I won't hold it for too long once I'm in a break even. Actually, just a little, to be honest. I'm just overholding it here, to be honest. So I kinda will get out. We already took a trade in the combine that we're trying to pass here for 100K. We're up 1.3K, so that's good. So right now we're just holding it. We're just seeing how it wants to react. Off of this, we have news at 9 a.m., which for my eyes will push the market a little bit higher. But at the same time, eh, I'm not expecting a big drop in the market. I'm expecting uh, a short. A short. I already took enough longs. I literally just wanted to grab 5 points with this long. I didn't want anything else, to be honest. But it went opposite to me. I just wanted to get to 350 because I had a 300 in profit, so I just wanted 350. But now we're here trapped in this little retracement that the market is doing. So if we don't get over here before the opening, I'm going to be closing in drawdown because I don't want to be trapped here, just as I mentioned. Um, this could be a very volatile uh, opening, like at least for 15 minutes, because it is going to swipe everyone from bottom to top every time, at least for 15 minutes or maybe 45 minutes, who knows, you know, uh, to the end, go higher. How high? I don't know. I don't care how high it wants to go. I will be grabbing shorts today, so I'm going to be grabbing 5 micros and 5 micros in here in the shorts. Right now, a little bit worried about this. Yep, just because of that. Yeah, I don't want to be losing the positive profit that I had in here, but at the same time, I don't want to lose it. So I know we will retrace back up to break even here. But anyways, now since I made the mistake, I will need to hold until it realizes that it has to continue going higher, basically. But yeah, these kind of mistakes, you just have to bear with them and you know just just go again. Well, I put that as if anyone was like watching me or anything like that. Nobody watches me yet. But anyways, someday, guys, someday I'm gonna be watched. I'm going to be watched. Mm, well, a drop that is okay. I wouldn't rather not to be inside this, but I decided, so I have to bear with that, and that's it. I like that we rejected this, but at the same time, uh, we could just make an inversion to then go higher during the opening. We need to take this high at least It is okay if we don't go any higher from this point, but we need to take this high because we have already left many highs untouched, many liquidity untouched. So leaving this high open will make that the market get a little bit uh, choppy, choppy. So the market's already choppy, and I don't think it wants to continue in that way. It is already setting its way to the downside. As I mentioned you guys the previous week and on Sunday night, we're making our way lower. So this is the last push that we might have in NASDAQ, you know, it might be the last push. So whatever you take from here to the downside uh, will be okay, will be great because you will probably get profits out of that. Uh, that's why I'm telling you that from this point here, I'm not grabbing any longs, any more longs from this point. But here, I didn't want this to happen, like for real. I wanted to stay outside of the market, but I decided to do it, so I have to bear with the loss that I'm having right now, you know. But I didn't want it to happen. So, well, what can you do? I guess this would be the first loss I get in the account. But yeah, let's see. Because I have no losing trades yet, at least not yet. So yeah, this could be it. This could be the losing trade. I'm overholding it here, being honest with you guys, but since the candle is still open in the 15 minutes, I know we can reverse. So yeah, mm, I don't like it. I don't like this at all. I don't like this at all. Yeah, this is the first loss in my account, I guess. I might be mistaken here, I might be mistaken. This could be really going lower. So, like from now, and not taking this high yet. But for my eyes, we need to take it because we failed to take this one here, you know? So, yeah, what can you do? Yeah, we're going too fast already. So, but I'm going to wait until opening. I'm going to hold it until opening. It's okay. It's okay. A loss is not going to be the end of the world. Of course, I would have wanted not to be in here, but since I decided, I just have to be a man and man it up, basically. But what matters is the end of the day. So yeah, just hold it. Many things can happen now because we have news at 9 a.m. So yeah. So let's wait. I didn't expect this candle to drop this hard, to be honest. It's something totally out of my expectations, but what I would be expecting now is to leave this this break this breakout that we had through this fair value gap to the buy side, so we have a reason to go lower. why we have a reason? Uh, because this means we want to go lower, you know. So basically that. But like I said, I'm expecting shorts. I'm actually expecting shorts today. Uh, but after taking this liquidity here, but once I hit here my break even, I don't know why I took this entry, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling kind of bad right now because but yeah, I mean, man it up. I know I'm just nervous right now, but uh, it'll get there. It has to get here. It is just taking its time because the market already wants to go lower. That's what I'm expecting shorts today. I just wanted to take 50 more. Just take into account with my mistake how one in just $50 more, 50 more. I just wanted 50 more. Just look how it puts you in this situation. And even if we get up here, I won't hold it until there because um, it would be just, I mean, I was done with this account already. I was already done with this account. But now I have to put all of my knowledge and everything in doubt just because I took a bad entry, and maybe not because I'm mistaken. And taking a bad entry when you already say you're done with something can put you in a place where you think you don't know what you're doing. But that's just a bad entry. So that's why I have confidence that I mean, we need to take this high and probably a little bit higher, probably a little bit higher, but uh, how high it wants to go, I don't want to be part of that. I don't want to be part of how low it wants, sorry, how high it wants to go. Once we do the switch and we start reversing, there I will take my trade, but not in this account, but in this one, and aiming for at least 2.8K today, and tomorrow at least 2K 2K2, you know. So yeah, but right now we just have to bear with this shit. It was my problem. I decided to do it. So feeling bad about it is not going to fix it, even though I feel bad about it. you know. But yeah. So look at this. You see the gap here that we have. You see the consequent encouragement that is this, basically the middle point, right? Like this. So if we don't close below it, we don't close below it in the 50-minute, we could say the market doesn't want to go lower. But trust me, what we just did, it's a clear sign that the market it's deciding to drop. It cannot wait to drop. So if it doesn't drop right now, it is because the algorithm and God is just like this, and he's just doing it. But everything is dropping, but Nasdaq. Why? Because Nasdaq is the rebelled. Nasdaq is very rebelled. So Nasdaq does whatever it wants, and that's why Nasdaq will try to reach for this liquidity, and that's going to make all the people think that we really rejected the lower side of the market, that we really don't want to continue going lower, because everyone's thinking that we make we made a rejection off of this low here. We keep we kept creating higher lows and higher lows and higher lows, and now when this was a perfect low, to break and change the structure of the market. So everyone will be thinking that since we rejected, the market will not go lower, and we are trying to make higher highs and higher highs, but what they don't know is that this high is the only one that the market is looking at. He's not looking at this high, he's not looking at this high. These highs for the market is liquidity, you know so these highs are basically nothing for the market. This means literally nothing for the market. So coming back up here for the market is just grabbing positions, grabbing liquidity to its drop. So respecting this high that I was talking to you guys last time, this high is what is making the market. No, sorry, my dog was eating a table. So respecting this high that we have in here, you know, is what is making the market really show you if you want to go higher or not. But at this point, the market, all that it is doing is grabbing positions, and that's it basically. So, well, 15 minutes before opening, I don't like this candle at all. So what I would like to see is another candle to the buy side, um, just in this same minute. Let's see if we can have it. If not, I think we're going to be in troubles here, very, very troubles here. Eh, but as I said, we have to bear with that. So yeah. But anyways, let's see. Uh, why I don't see in my mind that we go lower during the opening, like during this time until 10 a.m. and then we go higher, because it wouldn't be a, a Tuesday algorithm, basically. Going back up, all the way up again on Tuesday. I don't think so. Tuesday, for my eyes, is like a continuation for the you know for where he wants to go. That in this case is lower. So we're going lower. Yes, that is a fact. But now the question again is, do we want to do it now? That's the question. So yeah, I'm just betting here with my mistake and holding it basically. So we close below the consequent encouragement, which is not making me very happy, and it's making me a little bit more nervous. But as I said, eh, I'm going to be holding it until the opening, you know, to see if we can reverse, because sometimes it just makes these kind of drops, and then like 5 minutes, 10 minutes before it reverses all the way up again, you know. But what can you do? I guess. So right now we just hold it. Let's see, news hitting 45 minutes. So yeah, let's just see how it delivers. Want to see something in here? See what is people thinking about it. Let's see ICT. What is he thinking? Oh well, he took a long here. I think he took a long too, or short. I think he shorted this or this. I don't remember. I think I saw that. Yeah, I think he took a short, because I mean, yeah, what the market is screaming is shorts, but it has some algorithmic stuffs to do first, and that's why I wanted to take this. But I didn't see this. I didn't see we were just too close to it. eh, because sometimes when you're just too close to it, it tends to reverse, so it can have like more points to get. This is like when you get advantage to someone, like this uh, distance that we have in here, that's just 10 points. And it's like, I know I'm better than you, so I'm gonna give you some advantage. and he drops and then goes for it because he's just playing around with you. So yeah, but again, I could be mistaken. You know, I could be mistaken. Ugh. I could be mistaken. So let's see if I am mistaken. Right now, I shouldn't have any trade open. I didn't want any trades. I'm just waiting for the market to push higher so I can take my shorts in this account. Basically, I have to. I have to do here 6K. Oh yeah, 6K. Okay. So I have to do 6K. I'm up now at 2.3, sorry, 1.3. And uh, we will, we will just hold it. Once we, why I'm putting my buy stop, sorry, my sell limit too close to it because I didn't want this. I didn't want, I was done for the day with this account. But one in 50 more, I just wanted 50 more dollars, just 50 more, 50. Look what it was converted to. Just look. And yeah, I mean, right now I don't want the 50. Even if we get up here and we're like 100, I don't want it. I don't want it. I just want to get out of this and be content for what I did today. I mean, last night. But it is not a matter that I cannot do more, you know? It is just a matter of limits and stand on your decision. I said last night that I wasn't going to trade this account any longer until tomorrow, but I just wanted to keep on the track of being above 300 in profit, above 300. So I just wanted to do that, but it didn't turn just as I wanted it to turn. So yeah, basically this happened. But well, so 10 minutes for the opening. Eh, Nothing else to say, just to wait. Oh, I had a viewer. Nice. Who was it? Fantastic. Yeah, I mean, just as I mentioned, you guys, how high above this we want to go, I don't know. We could just sweep it and immediately reverse. We can maybe come back up here. We could maybe just come back here. We can just maybe come back down, come back up here, sorry. So I would be taking my short. I will be taking my short in the other account when we hit anything above this. If we hit anything above this, I will do it unless we have a clear, but very clear retracement off of taking this liquidity here. Unless if we don't do a very clear short that we really want to push below this liquidity, I don't think I'm going to be taking any shorts, because, you know, kind of want to close my trading here, but I'm gonna give it some time, just until the opening, and see how it delivers. I just don't want to be trapped in too much drawdown, to be honest. So yeah, because I mean, I know I said that I don't want the market to, or that I don't think the market comes back down and then goes back up. I said that, but I said that we could be trapped in some hesitation in here or inside here, and then make a push and lower. In that last push, I will be taking my shorts, but now the hesitation could be in here just to go back here, you know? So who knows? Who knows? Who knows? 5 minutes. I'm being honest with you. I don't like what I see. But I don't like what I see because I'm nervous. That's it. But I know we have to take this liquidity, you know? So, so yeah. Let's just hope for the best. Let's see how it goes. Fuck. But yeah, yeah. Mm, we could be in trouble here because we are not making any plans trying to reverse this, but let's see. Let's see. Last 3 minutes. Don't overestimate the market, We can literally get these 20 points in less than 20 seconds. So don't think the market cannot do it because it can do it. So you just need to be aware of that. But right now, I don't feel any safe any longer with this trade. I think I'm going to be putting too much in risk if I keep holding this. So, beside, I think this is going to be the first loss I have in the account. Eh, I will need to wait too long to see where we wanna go, because I'm going to hold. I'm going to hold. So lesson learned today: when you say something, just stand on that decision, because the 50 more just turned to be negative for me today, negative PL for me today. No, literally my first loss in 6 days, I think. So yeah, but I mean, let's see. Not everything is lost yet. We could have what we want here. We could, or we couldn't. So yeah, I mean, yeah, I mean, these are clear shorts, but I could be surprised that NASDAQ is doing what it's showing just immediately and not playing with you. But just as everything, there is always a first time. So yeah. So I'm going to be really, really pending on closing my position, because I don't want this to, affect me too much. So 5 seconds. I'm scared. I'm scared. Shit. I'm expecting it to fail to go lower. We still have a way to go higher. Yeah. Our first loss in the account. It's okay. But I'm going to be taking long again. I'm risking it. It's fine. Shit. Well, I shouldn't risk it. Well, I'm going to wait a little bit. I'm going to wait a little bit. I'm going to wait a little bit. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We have still 30 seconds for it to go. Many things can happen in these 30 seconds, 20 seconds. This is my first loss in the account. Fucked. I could be avoiding this. Oh well. Mm, so I really hesitating to take this, but at the same time, I think it's the best. Oh fuck, it's the best option I can have right now. So let's see. I'm going to be risking 100 more to the buy side. If not, I'm closing and waiting until we hit news. Because that's the thing, we have news. So just because we have news, mm, I don't know if it is like going to respect the decision to go lower. But I think I'm going to stand with what I said of first going higher. Mm, let's see, man. I don't. I'm scared. I'm being honest with you. I'm scared right now. But you know what? I'm taking my long. I really feel safer with the longs in here. I really, really feel safer with the longs. But well, seems like we will have no longs for now. So let's see how much of this can we drop. It's dropping really hard. Not gonna lie. Well, seems like we really want to go for this low first. Seems like I'm not very sure about that yet. Well, let's drop it. So let's see if we can push harder, because can still hesitate of the short. We got back again to this side, as I was mentioning. But let's see how it delivers. We tend to do reversals by this minute. We tend to, so yeah. So I'm going to be holding the long in here. I'm going to hold it for a moment. What? Why 200? Oh, oh yeah, I remember. Mm, this is putting me out of the market. Like I'm hesitating every position I'm putting in here because I'm nervous, you know. But I'm going to hold the long just for a bit. Fuck, guys, don't do this. Don't do this. When you already say you're done with something, just be done with it. You know, don't keep chasing or trying to get 50 more. Look what 50 more turned my account into minus 200. I was 300 already, you know, and this shit happened. So whatever. What can you do? So let's hold it long for now. Uh, yeah, let's just hold it. Uh, that's it. Not for too long though. Like I won't be holding too long. My lungs. Sounds weird, right? Yeah. Mm, not feeling very happy with this, not gonna lie. Fuck, man. Oh, God, help me. What do I do? You know what? Fuck it. I'm taking that short. I'm taking that short. Or should I just wait? No, I'm taking that short. I'm moving with it. I'm moving with the short. That's fine. Last 100 I'm putting on bet in here. This will give me all my money and profit back. This trade has to do that. I'm putting too much into risk right now. Eh, no, ya voy. Sí, mejor.
Sí, en una sola, que no sé si te gusta.
Dale, más gracias.
Te traigo
¿Ah,
esto,
sí?
sal.
Sí, por favor. Mm, okay, guys. 500 low. Not very nice for my eyes. I think this shit is like, you know, gracias. You know what? I'm taking my long here. That's too risky to take a long, man. Mm, I'm taking my long, bro. I'm risking it. I'm risking it. It's okay. Too much risk into this, to be honest. I don't know why it's moving too fast, bro. Like 600, bro. What the fuck? It's way too much risk for just 5 micros, bro. It's way too much. Way too much. It's 5 micros, bro. Come on. What the fuck? Oh man. I feel so bad right now, man. I'm not gonna lie. I feel so bad. I really feel so bad because this wouldn't be happening, man. This wouldn't be happening. I'm kind of revenge trading right now. So oh, I gotta focus because, you know, but at the same time, I think this motherfucker just taking way too much from what it is saying it's taking, you know? Like, I close it at 80. I think it makes 150, you know? I haven't lost that too much money. Fuck. Fuck, fuck, fuck. Well, let's wait. Let's wait. We still have the possibility to get it. So we just wait. Yes, I could be making a mistake by holding this, but whew, you know, I will follow my thinking. And my thinking is that we have to get that liquidity. Like we need to. Let me see something. Mm. Oh man, this is so hard to hold, you know? So hard to hold, bro. Not gonna lie. Bro, you see what I mean? Like, you just said it was in 600, bro. Like, I'm pretty sure these motherfuckers had found the features that just increase your spread or some shit like that, you know? So let's hold it now. The most difficult day until now that I've had since the last 10 days, I think, I would say. So I'm going to be holding here. That's it. Not moving that shit to anywhere else. Not moving it. Not moving it. This is just a lesson of what you shouldn't do. Even though if I recover this or not, this is a lesson of what you shouldn't do in the market. Okay? You shouldn't do this. You shouldn't do anything like this. You know, risking what you already have, the profits you have, just for some little more, bro. It's not worth it. Just look at me right now. Put yourself in the position that I'm right now, and trust me, you don't want this. You don't know. Like, if you have been in this position, you will understand what I'm feeling. But if you haven't been in this position, you don't know how hard it feels to hold it, to hold this position because you are still in drawdown, but it's still scared because you can still be more in drawdown, like it's happening, you know? So you have to have hope, to have peace, to have calm, to have patience, and recognize if you're wrong, just like I was in here, you know? But I recognize I know what I'm doing. I'm pretty sure we will get up here, but at the same time, I can just be mistaken. And that puts me in this position. Seems to be a slow run to the buy side. Seems to be. We don't know yet. We can, be mistaken again. So we gotta be strong, guys. Gotta be strong here. Ooh, it is so difficult to be strong sometimes, but there's nothing that we cannot do in the name of God. I'm gonna feed my dog, so I'll be right back. So, guys, we're in a really difficult situation in here. Ah, fuck. I'm trapped right now in my feelings. I'm not trapped in the market. I'm trapped in my feelings, and that is way worse than being trapped in the market. Okay, that is way worse. Trust me. When you're trapped in your feelings. Let's see. Oh man, I don't want to be in this market any longer, bro. I don't want to be in here. You know, fuck, fuck. I'm feeling really bad right now. You don't understand how bad I'm feeling. You really don't get it. You really, really don't get it. You really don't get it. Ah. The only question I have is why would I put myself in this situation when I already everything done? I had everything safe. I was set for the day. But Yeah, so right now my thinking would be that if we go higher, we won't go anything that high from this or this. Okay, I have a theory that the news always tend to send the market to the opposite side of fuck, to the opposite side of where it is supposed to go, and it is supposed to go lower, but uh, I don't want to overtrade this, to overhold it. I don't want it. I don't want to overhold it, you know? No, I'm holding it. I'm holding it. Fuck it. I'm holding this. I'm holding it. I might regret it, but I'm holding it. I might regret this, but I'm holding it. You see, it literally shows me 500, but once we hit this, it say like 300, bro. What are you playing? I'm holding. It might be looking like I have reason, but at this point, I don't know what to expect any longer from the market. I might regret this, guys. I might regret this. I might really regret this. Nervous as fuck. Nervous as fuck. Push, push all the way up. Push, 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 push. Like the song Push Me. Satisfaction. Push me. So let's see, guys. 40 seconds. 40 seconds. I have never been so scared in my life, man. Two failed retracements to the downside. Even though if I get like 500 in profit, this is something you shouldn't do in your fucking trading account, bro. This can turn out very nice, but at the same time, very, very bad. Just in 10 seconds, we will know how bad it could turn. And I could be very regret in 5 seconds. I could have the regret of my life in 5 seconds, guys. I could have it, could have it, could have the regret of my life in the next minutes. Yes, I could have it. And I mean, it's not about the profit, it's about respecting your rules. And not respecting my rules put me inside this position where I'm just trying to get my account to break even, bro. Come on. That's not something you should be doing. You shouldn't be doing this, man. You shouldn't be doing this. I should be already very safe in this. Like, not even thinking about this, not even thinking about recovering shit, you know? Should be just very safe. But I decided to hold it. So here's the mistake, living mistake that can happen if you hold just trade your trades just for a little bit more. I literally wanted 50 more, bro. I'm already like 200 rather. Like I lost 500 basically. And if we don't get higher, I'm going to be losing way more. So let's just wait. It's the hesitation I told you guys, but I actually wanted the hesitation to be inside this level here, you know, not too close to these lows here, because I mean, that's going to put everyone thinking we want to go lower, and even me that I put the theory before thinking that we don't want to go any higher, even though I understand the market needs to go higher. It puts me in that situation. So the the things that you should do is not to put yourself in these situations. You shouldn't be putting yourself in these situations. That's the main point out of what is happening right now. I learned not to put myself in these situations the past week and even today in the morning because I took a trade where I took a 700 in here and I could have taken it in here as well, but I decided not to do it. But somehow, once I finished with this trade, I decided to take, just a small position in here just to see how it goes. And it turned out to be very, very bad, you see? And the past week, for me, respecting my rules and respecting what I think about the market and even though if I know it is going to drop 100 points but I already made what I think it's enough for me, I would just staying outside the market. And that's at the end of the day what really matters. And since I didn't follow that today, I'm paying the price for that. I'm paying the price for that, and I'm paying being in drawdown right now, and you know thinking thinking not only I'm in drawdown, but I have to do the drawdown that I lost, and I have to do the profit of the day as well. So it is many things that play in your mind when you disrespect you're trading basically, you know. So so right now you gotta, be patient because it can either happen or not happen. I have to do at least 215 profits for the payout. So at the end of the day, I could have just take out my trade when I was $20 in drawdown, and I would be in the same position I'm going to finish right now, you know, without having to go through all these negative feelings that I've been going through the last hour. Like I've been in an hour of full negative feelings, and it's still because I'm still expecting the market to continue going higher. So I still have to, you know, hold basically hold the trade. So I have to hold it. If I don't hold it, uh, you know, so I put myself in a very, very bad condition, to be honest, where the bad feelings just come through, hit me, and, just stay in there. Just look how I'm still now again $200 in negative, bro. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck me. Now 300, bro. What's wrong with this? What's wrong with this, man? What's wrong with this? Oh, man. Oh, man. I really don't get this. Yeah. So, patience, basically. Well, I think I'm going to be closing live, guys. Bye bye. I'm going to watch some TikTok because I need to relax.